Hello and welcome to this first lecture of this new course on excellence in marketing case analysis. So in this section, we will give you an overview of learning how to do marketing through detailed analysis of selected case studies. And we will begin by talking about explaining what is learning marketing through case studies. And then we will, of course, take you through various other things, and we will start taking some interesting cases as we go along for you to actually apply and learn marketing through this method of case studies and case analysis. So, what do you think? What is learning marketing through case studies? I mean, case studies are not new. They've been there for many years since the time the educational institutions like IIM started. So, what is learning marketing through case studies? Any thoughts? See, learning marketing through case study is an educational approach where you, as a student, analyze real world examples of marketing campaigns, strategies, or problems to basically understand how these marketing principles are applied in practice. And this method combines the theoretical learning and practical insights by exploring the successes, failures, and challenges faced by the companies. So that is what learning marketing through case studies and case analysis is all about. Now, what are the key aspects of learning marketing through case studies? First thing is about real world applications, right? The case studies focus on actual scenarios, real life scenarios, enabling you as a learner to see how marketing concepts like branding, positioning, customer segmentation, and targeting apply to various industries. And there are nuances between industries and, and even between the companies. So, real world application is one key aspect of learning marketing through case studies. Second thing is they often involve analyzing a specific problem or decision to solve. And these decisions are typically the decisions that are actually faced by the companies, and that allows you as a student to develop your critical thinking as well as decision making skills. So they not only enhance your knowledge, but also enhance your critical thinking and decision making skills. The third aspect is that you learn from both successes and failures. You study, successful campaigns to understand what worked, and also you explore the failed efforts to basically identify mistakes and lessons learned. And that's a wonderful piece of learning because both the successes and failures have their own learnings. Then there are diverse perspectives. Case studies often incorporate various aspects of marketing like digital marketing, public relations, market research, and product development, and that gives you a holistic view of marketing. Then there is a lot of interactive learning. In many case studies, the case studies are used in group discussions or in assignments, and that encourages collaboration and exchange of ideas. So you not only learn the concept, but also you learn to collaborate and also build on each other's ideas. Then they provide insights into industry trends, right? Consumer behavior and evolving marketing landscape. So you are synced in with what is happening around you at that point of time in the industry and in this functional area of marketing. So what do we do next? So having looked at how is learning, what is learning through case study, case analysis in this lecture, we will now take a look at how is this better than other alternatives of learning marketing, right? So that's what we will do in the next lecture. So thank you so much for watching this first overview lecture on excellence in marketing case studies. I hope you're beginning to learn new things, beginning to enjoy, and I do look forward to see you again in the next lecture. Please feel free to message me if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer your questions, and do download the PDF file to take a look at anything that you need to.